For the past 30 years, I believed that engaging customers required a complex, multi-page website, until I discovered a simpler, equally effective approach. At first, it felt counterintuitive, but with the speed of technology and how people make buying decisions today, I've come to realize there's a smarter way. What if you could put everything that your customers actually need on just one page? That's what I'm going to show you today. This video will walk you through what to put on your website, especially if you're a tarot reader, healer, or creative maker, using one of my one-page website templates as a guide. These layouts are plug and play, and they're designed to get your business up and running under 30 minutes without the tech overwhelm. I've been building websites since the mid-90s, starting with code, shifted to WordPress, and I still use it. But the more I work with creative mystics like you, the more I realize it's more important to have a working website than a coming soon page. Even one clean, clear page can make you feel visible, bookable, and real. So, what's the big secret? How do we streamline your entire website with all the essentials into one powerful scroll? Enter Canva. Wait, what? I was surprised too. When Canva announced they were offering websites, I thought, that can't be right. But the more I explored, the more I saw it actually is possible. You can launch a clean, functional, no-code website hosted right on Canva without hiring a developer or duct taping 5 tools together. That said, while Canva's designs are beautiful, many of the templates I saw were missing something really important: structure that converts. Because pretty isn't enough. We're investing time and energy into our online presence to help people take action, book us, buy from us, join us. So with over 30 years of experience working on websites for Fortune 100 companies, nonprofits, and solo creatives, I created a series of one-page website templates just for mystics. They include everything you need: a headline that hooks, a section to share your story, space to feature your sessions or your offers, built-in trust builders like testimonials or frequently asked questions, even a lead magnet to grow your list without pop-ups or extra tech. You can use the template temporarily or keep it forever. Because like they say, it's not the size of your website that counts, it's how you use it. So in today's walkthrough, I'm going to show you what to put on your website section by section using real-life template example. Hey Mystics, I'm Lisa Stewart, your intuitive business guide. If you're new here, welcome. And if you want more tips on building a conscious business, hit that like button and subscribe. Now, let's dive in and explore how a few key sections can deliver the impact of a full-scale website. Let me show you what's possible on one single page. We start right at the top with your hero section, the first thing your visitors will see. This is where you make a bold, clear statement about what you offer, who it's for, and how it helps. Here, I've included a strong headline, a short subheadline, and a call to action button that guides visitors to take a step, either to book a session or to learn more about your products. It grabs attention fast, it builds clarity, and invites action, all within the first scroll. Next, we move into your mission section. This is just a heartfelt line about your purpose, the why behind your work. It helps your audience connect to the bigger vision and feel like they're in the right place. Now we enter the Our Sessions section. This is where you showcase your offerings, up to 3 core sessions or services, each with a description, a price, and a booking button. You don't need endless detail here, just clarity and flow. This layout is designed to guide visitors towards saying yes. Next up is your FAQ section. It stands for Frequently Asked Questions. I've replaced it with Tarot Insights as a creative twist on the classic FAQ. It's a space to answer your most common client questions up front, ease hesitations, and build trust. Think of it as removing the mental roadblocks before they even come up. Here is your About section, or as I've titled it, Hi, I'm Lisa. This is where you share your face and your story. It doesn't need to be long, just personal and real. People work with people they feel connected to, and this section makes that happen. Now let's scroll to your events section. Here I've called it Meet Lisa. This is where you highlight any public talks, pop-ups, or workshops you're part of. It shows that you're active in your community and offers your visitors a chance to meet you in person or attend your work live. Next is the resources section. You can use this area to link out to articles, interviews, podcast appearances, or anything else that shows your voice in the world. And right here, we've added a space for your lead magnet, something valuable you can offer in exchange for an email address. In this case, a free tarot guidebook. This grows your list naturally without a pop-up or tech-heavy setup. And here's where we feature your testimonials. Just a few lines from happy clients can boost confidence and validate your offer. Whether it's screenshots, quotes, or short reviews, this section adds trust and energy right when your visitor is deciding whether to book. Now we make it easy to reach out. This contact section includes space for your email, phone number, and address, so visitors can connect however they prefer. It removes friction and makes you feel accessible. Finally, we wrap it all up with the footer, or as I like to call it, the kitchen drawer. This is where you place your privacy policy, terms of service, social links, and anything else that needs to be visible, but out of the way. It keeps things polished, compliant, and complete. And that's your walkthrough. This layout helps you focus on what you do best, healing, guiding, and creating, without getting stuck in tech chaos. There are many website templates to choose from. Tarot and oracle readers, animal communication, psychic mediumship, sound healing, herbal healing, yoga, creative makers, and so much more. Once you purchase your one-page website template, you get access to more videos that go deeper into how to use it and customize it just right for you. Want this template or one like it? Grab it now from cocreateyourmagic.com website or get it free in Mystic Maker's business portal. Until next time, stay magical.